Thanks for joining me today. My name is Linda Bolton. I'm with Natural Calm Canada, and I'm going to talk to you today about the role that magnesium plays in muscle pain. A lot of people suffer with muscle pain. I've met so many people over the last 4 years when we have actually been sharing about the benefits of magnesium. We run into people all the time who are suffering with a variety of different types of muscle pain. One of them in particular is called restless leg syndrome. I don't know how many of you out there have it. I'm not sure the actual percentages of people in Canada that have restless leg syndrome, but I run into people all the time who actually either suffer from it or their spouses suffer from the results of their family member having it. One of the symptoms of restless leg syndrome is muscle pain and legs that will actually jerk all the time and kick your spouse out of bed. And so it actually will cause problems with sleep problems and muscle pain, and it's really a very difficult thing to deal with. One of the reasons that Dr. Carolyn Dean says that people suffer with restless leg syndrome is because of a buildup of calcium in the muscle. Calcium tenses muscles and excites the nervous system. Magnesium relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system. So 80% of the population actually have a buildup of 10 times calcium and magnesium in their body. And when that happens, calcium will actually tense the muscles in the legs while you're sleeping and excite the nerves and actually cause the legs to jerk. And it often will happen just as you're trying to get into a deeper stage of sleep. As a result of that, people really end up with a lot of sleep problems and insomnia. And of course, a lack of magnesium will also contribute to insomnia problems. Did you know that magnesium actually increases melatonin and activates the role of melatonin in the body? So when you're not having a deeper sleep and you're also suffering with restless leg syndrome, you'll end up being a really crabby person and also have a very unhappy spouse. So we want to recommend that you take magnesium. And our form of magnesium, which is called Natural Calm, is a highly absorbable form of magnesium citrate that you dissolve instantly in water and either drink hot like a tea. I mentioned on previous shows that we've done that I suffer with fibromyalgia. And one of my major symptoms was muscle pain. I used to wake up 3 or 4 times a night with muscle pain, also with insomnia. I wasn't sleeping well. I wasn't having a deep, relaxing sleep, which is actually a healing sleep. So I would wake up 2 to 3 times a night, and I'd wake up in the morning feeling I had been hit by a Mack truck. And so many people have this. It seems that more and more people all the time are actually suffering with muscle aches and pains. So it's very important that you get enough magnesium. One of the other products that we carry in our line of products is a magnesium supplement called magnesium gel and oil. And magnesium gel and oil are transdermal applications of magnesium chloride that are actually concentrated seawater. And what you do is you either spray the oil on your skin and leave it on all day, and it will increase magnesium levels without the gastrointestinal effect. And what I mean by that is if you take too much magnesium by mouth, you may end up with a laxative effect. Magnesium citrate is a natural laxative that will pull water into the bowel and evacuate the bowel that way. So some people find that they just can't take as much magnesium as they really need. Magnesium gel and oil, according to Dr. Carolyn Dean, is actually as effective as having magnesium chloride intravenously because it goes in transdermally, it works very effectively. I find that I will spray the magnesium oil on my body first thing in the morning, leave it on all day. It increases my magnesium levels, helps to take muscle aches and pains away, and then at night I'll get my hubby Dale to massage my achy muscles. I tend to have a lot of my pressure points in my neck area and also in my right hip. So if I spray that magnesium on or get Dale to rub it, I find I have a much better sleep and I don't wake up throughout the night with the muscle aches and pains. So, you know, think about using magnesium on an ongoing basis. My sister who has severe migraine headaches actually takes magnesium as our product Natural Calm first thing in the morning and last thing at night. And that helps to maintain your magnesium levels. Dr. Dean actually says in her book that many people suffer with strokes and also heart attacks first thing in the morning and last thing at night because that's when your magnesium levels are depleted. So get Natural Calm. It really does make a difference, and the significant thing about it is its absorbability. It will help look after muscle aches and pains and restless leg syndrome.